Hello, my name is Win Morgan. I'm the principal developer of the Success C4P costing tool that you're seeing in front of you. This tool is designed to help you to scale up a cervical cancer elimination program using a secondary prevention strategy. It makes the assumption that you have already done or you're in the process of doing a pilot project, which is demonstrating the success of certain strategies that you're using. And it also assumes that you have a plan to move forward for scaling up your program over the next 5 years at a national level or at a larger than your current level at least. I'm going to be providing you with several tutorials that will help you to get familiar with the tool and to use it to your best advantage to make sure that you know what you're going to be doing over the next 5 years and you have a good idea of what it's going to cost. We're going to start with the front page of the tool. This is the cover sheet, and I'd like to introduce you to some ways that we have set this up for you to be able to navigate the tool. And that hopefully should help you to get a start on how to use it effectively and without too much trouble. You will see at the top of every page that is in the tool here a name of the sheet. And here you see this is the cover sheet. You will also see the name of the file that you're working with. And you'll also see the release version, so you know what version that you're working on. That will make sure that you're using the correct version. You'll know which file or which scenario you're working with, and you'll know what sheet you're on. You're also going to see this red compass here on the top left of each page. When you click on that, that is going to take you to an overview page, which will help you to find the major modules in the tool. And there's 4 major modules and then a results module that you will be able to use. You will also see a bookmark icon, and you'll see this at the top of the worksheet of every page. And if you click on that, that will take you to a sheet index, which will allow you to go to any page that you want to quickly in the worksheet. We also have lots of menus as you're going through here. This is just one menu of many that you'll see. Some will take you to the heads or the start of the modules. Others will take you to certain menus or the index, and still others will take you deep into the tool when you want to go there. You will also see at the top of the major module pages these buttons here, and those will take you to any of the top 4 modules within this tool. And those modules consist of service volume, where you can estimate what the volume of services is that you're going to be providing based on assumptions that you make. Also, you'll be able to have a module here, which is called the service cost, which is going to help you estimate the individual and also the total cost of the services you will be providing for cervical cancer screening and secondary prevention. There will be a module here which will help you to determine what your infrastructure is that you're going to need, and by infrastructure, facilities you're going to need and any equipment sets you're going to need to scale up your project. Last but not least, there will be a scale-up module, scale-up support module, which will help you to determine what types of program support you're going to need to provide to make sure that your project or your program scales up effectively and efficiently. And so scale-up support will include things such as program management costs, evaluation costs, monitoring and supervision costs, and things like that. Communication, all kinds of different things, which you'll see. We'll get those into that. Last but not least, you'll see that there is a results module or section, which will show the results of each of the things that you've completed on each of these modules. So that's an easy way to get yourself around. You're also going to see in this file that there is an option for you to have this file or this tool work in English or French. You see everything here now is turned into the French language, or Spanish, and you'll see everything is turned into the Spanish language, or Portuguese, where you'll see everything has now been shown in the Portuguese language. I'm going to go back to English because that's my native language. And then we're going to move on to more tutorials. Thank you.